Hey folks, you're watching That Dank Cat. And this time, I got a Hoover. Another Hoover. Look at this. This is a Hoover Concept 1. Right here on the sticker it says $12.99. And I didn't want to pay that. And I've been watching it, and this has been this teen challenge, this thrift store for about 3-4 weeks. It's been, I don't know, a while. And this thrift store is kind of like a hole in the wall. It's not like in the main part of town. So a lot of people kind of just miss out on it. Unless you know about the store and you check there periodically. Which, for a long time, they weren't getting anything in. And now, every once in a while, they've been getting a pretty good supply of vacuums in. Yeah. So I already checked it out. It needed a belt for the brush roll, which I did have a belt for the wind tunnel, and it works. I just had to stretch it a little bit. It probably, it's not recommended, but it works, so what the hell. Later I found out that the light, well, there is no light. Oh well, it's a Concept 1. Dump some shit down for a test demonstration. Oh my god! That poor dirt devil. Was that a dirt devil? No, it was a Hoover. Oh my god. Sucked up a nickel. Alright. Okay. Now I got it covered in filth. Say I got it for $7. Every time you buy something there, they said, would you like to donate to the Teen Challenge camp, whatever? I said, alright, I'll donate $1. And yeah, so I asked, can I get a deal? And he goes, hold on, let me ask my manager. He goes, yeah, sure, I'll do half off. I'm like, alright, sweet, thanks. This is the one with the power surge. So there's the off-on power surge, and then there's the drive control. This is a self-propelled vacuum. There was one on the Facebook Marketplace I had my eye on for a while. They wanted $30, and I was ready to spend $20 on it. It was just like this. I think. But I was trying to hold out for one that had the power retractable cord, but you know what? I found a great deal, and I was pretty happy to find it. Before I get started, let's flip it over on the underside. Look at the brush roll. There's the power drive wheels. That strap right in the middle is how it holds the drive. There's the stamp right there. Hoover Cleaner, Hoover Company, North Canton, Ohio, 120 volts, 60 hertz, model U3315070, 7 amp, direct. Wait, hold on. Belt, Agit 3852808, drive 1601447AG. Serial number 078900072269. Household use only. Made in the USA. Good thing about this vacuum, unlike the Elite series over there, is these two tabs right here open up and the whole bottom plate opens up. And you can unclog right here. Way easier to change than the other one, the Elite. Okay, looks like I have a pretty good mess to pick up. I love how it's got a 3-position handle. There's 1, and then there's 2 and 3. It says 3-position, whatever that means. So you can go all the way down, or you can, get over obstacles, rugs, thresholds, or a dog's tail, and back locked up. Here we go. Well, as you can see, it sucks everything up, but look at my luck. The switch for the drive controls broke off or something. What? Oh, I think it was entirely my fault for all the times I flipped it over on its handle at the store. Come on. There it is. Okay, there it is. Yeah, in case you can't notice, I'm using my shitty camera this time because my the other phone is dead. Battery's dead. It's stuck on the on position. Don't want to lose that switch. Imagine the price for that little piece of plastic. I was gonna grab. Oh, here's some flour. Bam. Don't worry, folks. I just ordered a tripod. All gone. So, I guess you could say it works. I'll make another video with my other better camera. I just was pretty excited. I actually found this and got it. I went to the thrift store last week and it was still there. I didn't have money for it. I wasn't going to ask my buddy to buy it for me. I mean, it's pretty amazing. I think this is very similar to the first vacuum I have ever used. Only it was a Kenmore. And it had a little panel right here for your hose. I think that one might have been louder. It had the button right here for the retractable fucking cord. I don't remember it having a slider thing. Did not have the power drive or the power surge. But yeah. It had this trim around it. I don't know if this is just in better shape. Because I remember the one that we had, it would start to come apart. And my dad traded it in on oh, there's a little bit of blemish right there. Ouch. He traded it in on a Hoover wind tunnel. I'm like, what? Well, it was a piece of shit. It was always in the shop. I'm like, it was not a piece of shit. It's like somebody could pick up the floor and kept on sucking up shit. And yeah. Pretty sure it's the same thing. But yeah, that's enough of my video on this. Stay tuned next time and I'll get you a better video.